In how many ways can 720 mobiles be distributed among students in a class? No number of students is given. So what does the question actually mean? So let's decode it. So the question means the mobiles are distributed equally. That means each student get the same number of mobiles. So number of students can vary, can change. So the question becomes actually in how many ways can 720 be divided equally? So what is the important thing you have to notice? The number of ways depends upon the number of divisors of 720. So each divisor represent a possible number of students. So first do the prime factorization of 720. That is 72 times 10, or we can write it as 72 as 2 cube times 3 square and 10 as 2 times 5. So this give us 2 power 4, 3 power 2 and 5 power 1. Now formula we will write for the number of divisors. So n is equals to p power a, p is 2 here and a is 4. Similarly q power b and r power c. So here r is number of divisor, a plus 1, b plus 1 and c plus 1. Now this apply to 720. So a is 4, so 4 plus 1, b is 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 1. So this gives us 5 times 3 times 2. This is the easiest way. So 720 mobiles can be distributed in 30 different ways. So why this question is tricky? Because most people look for permutation here and thinks mobiles are different and miss the word distributed equally. So smart student, think in divisors. Comment below how many ways did you get before watching the solution and share this with a friend preparing for exam. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.